Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Let's imagine growing a tree using our breath. In your imagination, picture a small seed resting in the palm of your hand. Imagine what it looks like. Imagine its shape, its size, and its color. What texture is your seed? Picture yourself in the perfect landscape to plant this seed. Look around the environment. What do you see? What do you notice? Using your hands, imagine digging a small hole in front of you. Place the seed in the bottom of the hole. Cover the seed now with the remaining dirt and pat down the dirt firmly on top. Now imagine yourself sitting in front of this small hole you created for the seed. Begin breathing deeply. Each of your full exhales gives the seed the life and energy to grow. As you breathe out, imagine now a tiny, fragile seedling breaking through the surface of the earth in front of you. With each of your exhales, the tree grows a little bigger, bigger, taller, stronger, fuller, greener, wider, even stronger. With each exhale, your tree becomes more healthy, more vibrant, and more full. Imagine your tree, full grown now, standing tall above you. You're sitting in the cool shade of its leaves. You can hear the wind blowing happily as it dances its way between the leaves. Take a moment to relax here and breathe in the fresh, healing oxygen that your tree makes for you and our planet. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.